Hello, Maurieo. Maurieo updates CAD Plan 5. Add a table of values. I got a little bit of ahead of myself last time and suggested that we were going to go through and do a bit of a tidy up and fill in the title block and print out the plan, but I forgot and omitted to that I was going to add a table of values with the heights of all the points on. This is quite important, really, because when you've got a plan out in the field, you want all the information, as much information as you can, clear and in one place. So putting that information on the plan is always a pretty good idea. So that's what we're going to do now. The observant among you will notice that, I've finished drawing the stockpile here last time, got the few things sorted. However, put the chainage and what have you here, but the the observant among you will notice that I've actually drawn the topsoil heap around the wrong way, and in fact this peg 2 should be over here and peg 1 should be over here. So I had tossed up as to whether I was going to do something about that, and I could have just left it, because in terms of what I'm trying to achieve, it won't make too much difference. But I've decided that I will fix it all up, so I'm just going to select it all here, and I think I've selected everything that I need there, like so, and I'm just going to rotate that there, and it's asking me for a base point. I'll just turn on my object snaps and go for the middle there, and I'm just going to turn it through 180 degrees, rotate 180, and there we are. Now everything's a little bit back to front, but we can just grab these here, and rotation there, we'll just change that to 90. Okay, and so that's all good there. These here possibly need to be at 90 degrees as well. Rotate. Oh, what's happening there? Oh, base. Oh no, that's not what I want. What I want to do is just to select those like that there, select, and put those at 90 as well. Okay, so I think what you'll find is that it's 59.4, is that the actual long section is drawn this way here, and this is what I recall of the actual situation. You'll notice, and interestingly, well, I was a bit panicking at the time, but when this was done, 10.4 is not really gonna, it'll fit in about there, I think. When we were doing this work, a digger came in and started removing the topsoil, so we had a few little anxious moments there. So the topsoil heap is quite different to what you see there today, if you were to go out and have a look at it. So it's been severely reduced. So this is it here. This is pretty much the way that it's been drawn. I'll just check on here, and you'll see that, oops, what's happening there? Here it is, no, got a bit of a problem going here. For some reason I just can't find the actual plan. Oh, here it is. No, that's not it there. Pages. Perhaps if I drop this one down. Oops. Something's stopped working there a little bit. What's going on there? I don't seem to be able to get this pages here, but I do. Let's cancel that. So that's that one there. Here it is here. So you can see that that's peg 1 TT there and 2 TT there. 42,268, 42,266. So let's just check that. So that's correct. 42. This is peg 1. Is it peg 2? I think. No, that's peg 1 and that's peg 2. Okay, so I'll come back to here. So this is peg 1. This should be 1, so we've just got to adjust all this. So the beauty of CAD, we can fix things, and that should be an 8, I think. So 42,268, 1 TT, 42,268, yes, and then this one here should be 2 TT. That should be a 2, and that should be a 6. Okay, and then if we look at the thing here, we can see that we've got the 10.4, 5.4, 1.6, 2 TT, the way this has been drawn. So that's it there, there, 10.44, and that's the 2 TT, 10.44, yeah, which would be there, and and here 2 TT, like that there. Let's just check that there. So yeah, that was definitely the shorter end, and then if we come here at the longer end, which was the that there, that should be 1 TT. So if it was me, I would have, and I probably, when we do draw this, I will draw it this way, although this has been drawn it with the chainages going this way, from right to left. Probably doesn't matter, but yeah, we can do it like that. So that's the way it's been drawn there. So it's been drawn from, I'll just turn the snaps off. It's just been drawn from that side there. So that's sort of repaired all of that that situation there. Sort of working our way through that. It's taken a little bit of a time just to get that all sorted. So that's there like that. Now that's all pretty good. Now one of the things I want to do is to add a table. Now, there's a couple of ways of adding a table. You can up here in the annotative one here, there's a table here which you can add and do that. But I find by far and away the easiest way to make a table is to do it using an Excel spreadsheet, particularly seeing most of the data comes from a spreadsheet in the first place. So what we do is we just go here and open a spreadsheet, and that should start to open at some point. Here it is here. It's over here on my so we'll just open a blank spreadsheet. It's over here on my second screen, so I'll just bring it in here. I'll just make it quite quite small there. Just pop it in there like that. And what I'll do is I'll just trying to move it around here. Just pop it over there like that, and then I'll try and make this little stockpile here a bit smaller as well, so that we can sort of have everything. Probably can get rid of the properties at this stage. Okay, so let's put it in here. So in here we'd be putting IBMM. That can go in there, and that's 37.670 enter. Probably want that to be 3 decimal places, so let's just drop everything around there. Now we just probably need to pop it up. I need to pop it up to there, and then that'll make it 3 decimal places. Yep, and then we can drop it back down again. I just need to do that. Find things. Right, now let's have a look and see what we've got here. So let's just go with so we can go peg NL, peg HC, the order doesn't matter, IBMM, so peg NL we've got 37.652. Okay, peg HC 37.446. So we're just typing these in. Let's just get to here, and we can let's go in here, peg KB. Yep, and that's what do we got there? 37.555. Got to be very careful copying, because if you can peg MB like so, and that's 37.868 like so. I'll put in here peg 1TT, peg 1TT. Oops, is that how what we've called it? And then peg 2TT. Yep, so peg 1TT is 42.268, and peg 2TT 42.266, enter. And then we'll just put in valve 1 and valve 2. That will valve 1 and valve 2. Okay, have I got those right? I have, yes. Valve 1, valve 2. Okay, now valve 1 is 37.310, and valve 2 is 37.324. Okay, so that's pretty much there. I'll just maybe try and make this into a decent sort of table now. Insert sheet rows, insert sheet rows. So that one there, just so that there would be marks. So just mark. Oh, that is the mark. Oh, caps here. Mark there, and that one and that there's height or level. I'll call it level or reduced level, RL. I'll just put that in there. Now I'll just make those go into the middle. Well, the mark can go there. That there can probably look right like that. I'll possibly put that left aligned like that, RL. No. Now this stuff here, just want it indented one probably, and this stuff here, well, we could actually make this here like that and then indent it one, so that would go like that. Puts the table in here, and then these here I'll just possibly make them slightly smaller, maybe 9. Yep, and then that there, merge and center. No, it's not quite what I wanted. I obviously selected too many cells there. I'll just merge and center those cells there, and I'll just call this table of heights. I'll just put table of heights. Table of heights like that there. Yeah, that there can format, auto fit the row height, can probably format, auto fit the row height, format row height 15. I wonder if I make it 10. No, format auto fit row height. Yeah, and let's put those in the middle of the row. Yeah, that's all good like that. And then I'm just going to that like that, format cells, border, and we'll just put a border around it. Okay, all right. So that's that there. Just copy. Okay, and then we come to our AutoCAD here, and probably want to I'll probably put it in we'll put it in paper. We'll put it in here. So just come here and clipboard, paste, and here's our little table. It's going to go right there. Okay. In terms of size, probably looks alright. I'll notice that it's printed over these here, so I'm just going to move those like out of the way, and it can go there. Oh, it does look a bit cluttered there. Perhaps we can just put it up here like so. Okay, table of heights. We can, one of the beauties of the we can just make that bold. That should update it. Yeah. There are a number of ways of doing this, but that's pretty quick sort of way there. That might be a bit on the large side there. Might just scale that down, because those they're probably a bit too high. I'll I'll just make that 50, and I'll make that, yeah, so that's fine there. Move, just put that over there, like that there, and that move down there. Okay, so yeah, that's our table sort of done there. I'll move this up to full size now, and we'll put that in there. So that's one way of getting a table in there. As I said, you can use the annotative table there and draw it up. One of the beauties of using, say, something like Excel or something like that is that you're able to, you can get tables that will update. So if you change the Excel, it'll update there. That's not necessarily the way I've done it here, but anyway, just one thing with the stockpile. Yeah, I did sort of want to move that. I've got that a little bit. I'll just it is diagrammatic, remember, it's not drawn to scale, so I'm just going to move that a little bit, just sort of down in that area there, a bit more. Yeah, that's fine, like that there. Okay, so that's the table in there, like so, on there with the table of values and what have you. The next thing we've got to do is to, we've got the topsoil done, that's done, is to update the thing, but I think we'll do that with another video. So let's just I think that's probably enough on that one there. I've sorted out the stockpile, got that in the right place, round the right way. So it is important that you, oops, that there could probably just move a little bit. Yeah, it is important that you check things and change them around, and you can see there from the beauty of CAD the value of that you can have. Now it just remains for us to tidy up the title block. Unless I forget something in the middle. I've got the height datum in there, Motoriki datum, origin of heights. I've left the coordinate datum on there even though there's no reference to any coordinates at this place, but it's probably handy to have that in there. So we'll just come in and tidy up the title block and print out a copy of our plan, and that'll be us finished. So there you go. Cheers, see you.